Alright, here's a little overdue update on the 92 Ford style side. This is the bed. I'm sanding out what's left of the nap bodies that flew in here. I picked them out with a pair of tweezers. The booth actually worked pretty well. The booth, it's not a booth, it's a canvas tent with furnace filters. But it did work out okay. I had to push this all the way over to one side. There's not enough room to shoot two sides at a time. The lights worked out really well. I can't tell if I'm catching this. There's the paint. I had to come around here and mask this side off. I had to sand one at a time. It was quite interesting in here. Bombarded with bugs. Made this little paint bench here, and I literally, no kidding, I had the spray gun in one hand and the brake clean in the other hand to knock out the hornets that were coming in. They loved the smell of this paint. So whenever they came in, I shut them down with the brake cleaner and cleaned their brakes for them. And they stopped real quick. So there's the update. I used Deltron base coat. This particular color was almost $300 a quart. And there was a gallon purchase that looks like it's going to be enough. 3 coats gave outstanding coverage. Oh, there's a little bug. He's not stuck. So any little imperfections, I'll nib them down, and that's it. The bed is done. On to the main body. So, there it is. My little homemade spray booth. We'll call it better than nothing, but it did turn out pretty well. Okay, that's it for this update. Okay, here's an update. Today's Sunday, forgot what month it is, September 15th. And it just dawned on me that I didn't take a picture of the bed while I was sanding it and as I was polishing it. So this is the sanded bed that was sanded with 1200 wet sand, and then I went over and polished it with 1500 grit on the DA. And now I'm starting to polish it out. And this afternoon, this is going to get all stripped down, cleaned up, and it's going back to the home where it lives so it doesn't get damaged. So I'll take a picture of that when it's all done and cleaned up. It turned out really well. I can't wait to see it all cleaned up. That with the black bed line is going to be pretty slick. Alright, I'll be back later on. I just thought to do this right now before it's too late. Alright, here we go. Here's the big reveal. It's outside. It's all buffed and polished. It's going back to its home to sit where it's not going to get damaged. I don't know how much of this the camera's picking up. I really can't see the viewfinder. But the black bed liner top looks really good. The side's in the shade, obviously. And there's the happy owner. Is the owner happy? All right.
Real happy.
All right, cool. All right, so there it is. There's the tailgate's already inside the Expedition. So that's good. That's a big part of the project down. It's stunning here in person. It really is. The color's fantastic. Okay, there you have it. 50% of the truck is now done. The end.